Hello my friends, it's Traci Penrod from Artsy Albums. I'm here today with Bella Blvd to do a fun summer scrapbook page. Today I'm using the My Life 365 papers. This one that I'm going to use for the background is called Let's Go. It's got some really cute palm trees and suitcases, and I just love the colors. On top of that, I'm going to add an 11.5 by 11.5 white background to build my layout on. And then I'm going to add a piece of graph and dot in Bella Blvd in ice. Kind of mimics the ocean or some water down there. Then what I decided to do with this layout is actually use a really fun cut file or SVG file that Bella Blvd designed. It's called Sunrise. And I backed it with some foam tape because I wanted to lift it up off the page. And I'll show you why in just a minute. But I'm going to peel off that foam tape and then I'm going to add it to the top of this page and eventually cover up all of this white. The white was just kind of a guide for me to place the blue and this cute paper. This is a sunshine paper from My Life 365 and it's actually called August. Once I had that paper adhered to the top of my page, I decided that I wanted the negative space of that paper to be included as well. So I gathered my pieces, I made sure to keep them in order, and then I went back in and added each piece in the spot that it originally came out of. Okay, once this part was done, I decided to start using some of the really cute ephemera icons, and I used a couple words as well. I love the waves. I wanted them to be positioned kind of between the water and the sun, so to speak. I added some palm trees, and I actually added them flat against the sun, but I did use a pop dot on the blue water section, just because the portion of the sun that was popped up, it needed some balance there. And then I used some 3x4 mats. These are Macintosh Bella Blvds, and I just positioned them off to the side so that you could not only see the waves, but so that it would have room for my cute title. So I added the summer title. I did end up using foam adhesive for that as well. And that side of my layout needed a little pop of red, so this cute little crab was the perfect addition. And then this little striped fish caught my eye because he kind of went along with the background of that Let's Go paper with all the fun colors in it. So I added him right under the summer title. So my layout wasn't done at this point. I decided to use some puffy stickers called All Year Long. They do go with the My Life 365 collection perfectly. They've got lots of different little icons, hearts, St. Patrick's Day clovers, a sunshine, stars, all kinds of things. But I used the fish on this layout. There was one that was adorable, little striped fish, and then there was some tiny little multicolored puffy fish that I decided they needed to go on the layout as well. Not only did I use the puffy stickers, but I love the doohickey stickers as well, and I wanted another little subtitle. So this subtitle says, "So many reasons to smile," and it worked perfectly. I also liked these border stickers that are on the doohickey stickers, and I just wanted a little something else down at the bottom. I didn't want it to take over the page, so I like the tone on tone. It's also in an ice color, and it's a polka dot scallop. So although you can't see it very well on the video, it really makes a nice addition when you're looking at the page. And I also wanted another pop of color right above these photo mats. So this little striped tab was perfect for that. And although not shown in the video, I actually added a little sticker that said "fun" to the top of that once I was done. This heart sticker was perfect on foam tape to accent another little pop of red at the top. And then the chow chip, which is the Bella Blvd chipboard, is so cute, and I put this little orange memories chipboard piece right below the photo. I love how all of these colors come together to mimic all of the colors in the very background, and I think it all ties well, even though a lot of that background is not seen. I finished off my layout with a cute little popsicle die cut, and then ended up adding a popsicle chipboard piece to the layout as well. And in the finished piece, I went back and added a few more puffy stickers that you'll see at the end in the last photo. But overall, I love this layout, and I love that sunrise cut file. I hope you do too. I'll see you next time.